I think Rascal is actually snoring. He's taking a sun bath. Is that the cutest? Look at his lips. He's snoring. It's cute, Rascal. Oops.